Have you, do you have done any study on what is this company and what do we do? No? Okay. So see, basically we are a company of where we are creating software for pharma. So we give IT support to pharmaceutical companies. So our main focus is on the quality. So whenever you eat tablets, whenever you eat any tablet, so it goes from many processes. So like it goes for manufacturing where you are actually creating the tablets, whether this should go to market or not. There are checks for that, right? Yeah, this color should be yellow. This should pass this test. These are different parameters for that, right? So similarly, so these things happens in our software. So we have a different, mainly 3 to 4 product line are there. First is LIMS, which take care of product quality. That means whether tablet has to go to market or not, what kind of test it should be. These are the parameter which decides saying that this is pass or fail. That is one of the product. The tablet happens where they try to manufacture the product using, see, most of you know how to cook, right? Or basically, if I want to cook something, there is some recipe for that to cook it. And you have to add in some quantity. That's what the batch or BRM stands for. So you want certain learnings, right? So that's where the learn IQ comes into picture. You are doing some process. You are preparing some recipes. It is a documentation, right? Doing the docs IQ. That is a document management system. You should follow some processes. Like for example, you have came here and then you are doing something. You need to define some processes there, correct? So that's where the quality management systems comes into picture. So, and you have analytics where we comes into we have a report engines where it brings the data from all the different products, display the analytics. So that's where the product lies. Now, coming to technology stack, we have basically working on ASP.NET Core, ASP, C#, jQuery, Razor Pages. We have certain departments are there who are also working on Angular, machine learning. So there are different sectors or different technology stacks are there. But today what I am looking mostly is on the .NET part. So yes, it is basically on ASP, ASP.NET Core, ADO.NET, your C# logics, MVC. If you have MVC, how the MVC works. So this is what my core focus will be. Very important. Your logic should be very clear. Whenever you are saying something, you write something, you should be able to explain why it is written. A single line of code, if you're writing something, you should be only from like, okay, system I have executed, I got my output, but why this line is required. So that's what I'm looking for. So that's all from me. Anything else? Any questions from you? No? Okay. Then best of luck for your exam. I think we will start with the 3 rounds. First is where you'll be writing on the system. I'll explain few programs. You'll write that in your system. Whoever qualified will go for the next round, that is face to face. Whoever qualified, they will be going for the third round, that is HR round. So there will be 3 rounds if you are getting selected. Okay. Any questions? Anything you want to ask? No? Okay then. Thank you. Thanks a lot. 36. Monitor cables. This would be first one. Remember your number. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and last one 2. Okay. So if you can tell your names before number, that can be or